Have you ever been like, I don't know, a month or 2 months into sleeping with someone and you have no idea if you're actually in a relationship or what's happening, and it's starting to move into sort of like a situationship because it started off quite sexual. You maybe had just 1 or 2 dates and it immediately became a physical relationship. And now you're in this sort of gray area, this sort of nebulous gray area where you don't really know where you stand with someone. And I see this all the time. I've experienced it in the past. And people can go months like this and not really actually talking about what it is that they want or what it is that they actually need. I have no moral judgment about when to sleep with someone, when not to sleep with someone. But what I do find to be one of the biggest problems in today's dating world and just in today's relationship world is this. People are more comfortable getting naked and jumping into bed with each other than they are having a conversation with each other about wants and needs and expectations. And so they think, well, we can just keep this casual, or this feels so good in the moment and there's so much chemistry, we can deal with that after. Until several weeks go by or several months go by, and usually there's one person who is feeling like they want more and they want to say something, but they're not. And maybe they're even lying to themselves. Most of the time they are lying to themselves, like that it's fine the way it is. And then next thing you know, this thing that was casual actually becomes a huge energy drain. It is, this person is taking up a lot of real estate in your brain and in your heart, and you're thinking about them a lot. And there's a lot of strategy around it. And whether we like to admit it or not, it takes up a tremendous amount of energy. And that's because sleeping together and having that level of intimacy without it progressing into something deeper is not something that most people can handle for an extended period of time without feeling frustrated or uncomfortable or feeling just not great. And so we really have to get honest with ourselves here. And the most important thing is just have these important conversations. If jumping into bed with someone after a date or 2 dates feels more comfortable to you than having a 30-minute conversation about where your boundaries are and where your expectations are and where their boundaries and expectations are, and trying to get on the same page if you can. If the getting naked and jumping into bed with them is easier than the 30-minute conversation, then that's probably where your work is. Because we have to get better at protecting our boundaries and our hearts and not getting into scenarios with other people that are draining our energy. As much as we'd like to say it's all fine, and keeping us, I don't know, overanalyzing texts or having conversations with our friends. We're talking about the relationship or the connection or the intimacy with everyone except for the person that we are actually doing it with. And that's where we have to really change things. That's where we have to get brave. Don't talk about it with your friends. Talk about it with the person. And it's so important that if you are in this situation, or you have a friend in this situation, or a family member in this situation, to empower them to be brave to have these conversations before things get too physical. And if things are physical and whatever, it's, a few weeks have gone by, a few months have gone by, and you're not sure what to do, figure out what you want and have the courage, even if your heart is beating out of your chest, even if your palms are sweating, have the courage to have the conversation. And if you scare them off, they were never yours to begin with. And it is better to lose someone and to grieve whatever connection there is than to be totally anxious. Figure out what your expectations are, figure out what your boundaries are, and talk about it. And anyone who is too uncomfortable to talk about it, too resistant to talking about it, is way too immature for you to even consider being in a relationship with.